What are we doing right now?
We're gonna help Max with this oil change. First oil change, actually, brand new Tacoma. Why are you turning it on? Oh. First oil change, right?
Yeah.
Brand new Tacoma. So the oil filter housing needs a cap. I didn't know that. So I guess that's newer Toyota. I have an older Toyota. I don't think we'll get it onto the Ram.
They're rotating tires first.
We're gonna put on the Ram and do an oil change.
Looks like we're rotating tires first.
Or you gotta put that jack back. I just want to drive it on the ramp.
It's not gonna. Well, let's try it then. Let's try it. You guys.
Like worst case, how does that?
Does it have skids on?
Let's just
All
try
right,
it.
just don't tank over and roll over the pumping.
What's that for?
That's why it's a ramp.
What he said.
It's not going anywhere. Shove it up there, it's not going to go anywhere.
No, it needs
It's
to
like
slide.
stuck under there. It's going to pull it forward. You're not even lined up.
All right, go. Come on. Can't hit the brakes like that. Alright. Come on, nice and easy, consistent. Come on. Come on. Come on. Andrew?
That's the third time it's happened on your side.
I don't know why.
I think it's the tire shine on this side. I think it's you. I just put my foot on it and it's fine.
I don't have a grip.
You almost died, Andrew.
There's the creeper.
Watch your life flash before your own eyes.
It didn't flash that time. That's how I knew I wasn't gonna die. I found out why the ramps are sliding. Last time I washed the Suburban, I used tire shine, right? So tire shine spilt in this area.
Ooh,
Look at that.
man, it's sliding.
Now look at this side. It wasn't my fault, guys. It was the tire shine. Well, technically, it was my fault because I used tire shine. But yeah.
What?
What?
I don't think I've ever heard Max yell.
I don't yell, dude. Unless I'm like cheering someone on, like that's the only time I'm fucking yelling.
He's a positive yeller.
Yeah.
I think I am too.
You're an old yeller.
I'm an old yeller.
Old yeller.
Anyways, you see this Lunar Rock? Whew, that's where we got the color from. That's why the shop truck is Lunar Rock.
It's loud.
Sick. It's a 14 mil socket. That's a standard Toyota, huh?
Where is it? It's way back.
Oh, it's right there?
Yeah.
Muscles.
You have a glove on? Your
Nope.
hand's gonna get dirty.
I know.
You need a glove? Oh!
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 Oh my god.
How do I stop it?
That's not supposed to happen.
Yo, that's not nearly as bad as AJ's oil. Yeah. AJ's oil is black.
He said thick, I said black.
Is this thing off road?
No, why?
Oh, I'm just curious. All this dirt down here.
Oh, that's really weird.
Oh, this.
Maybe.
Is this it?
I don't know, dude. I don't know what you're looking at.
It has a 3/8 socket drop.
Yeah, that's it then.
Wow, that's so stealth. You gotta check it. Come here, look. This and then it tricked me. So I almost lost it again. That right there, I guess, is the oil filter housing.
Whoa.
Is that? Am I right? This
Yeah.
thing? Okay. So watch. Really?
Use the extension, dude.
On my 4Runner, oil filter's on the top.
Is it?
It's on the top, yeah.
Oh, damn.
Sliding in.
Hey, before you do that, put the drain plug on because that's gonna spill oil.
The drain plug?
On that, yeah, first.
I know it's this.
Let's just say hi to YouTube.
Hey!
You're gonna be famous! There it is.
I like this.
What?
You got gloves now?
Yeah. I found some.
Oh, nice. So what you doing now?
Oh, it'd help if I put it in the right spot.
There you go.
I'm gonna break the oil filter off.
Gonna break it up, man.
Wow, this thing needs to stop rolling, dude.
Does that? It doesn't.
All right.
Ooh.
It's not too bad.
Whose oil filter do you think is worse, yours or AJ's?
AJ's for sure.
I was just talking to Anthony. Where are we going? You got it? First oil change, you're actually doing well.
There's no oil changes before, dude.
Oh, never mind.
Just not on this truck.
Oh. I just don't want Gary to see this mess.
We'll get it. We'll get it cleaned up. Don't film this.
Film it.
Jesus.
Film it. Dude, they really made it this hard to do an oil change. I mean, this is not hard, but like, there's multiple steps to this. Like, I'm not buying a new Toyota.
You just lost yourself a customer, Toyota.
Sorry. But I mean, I'll buy used Toyota all day.
How difficult is it with oily gloves?
Not bad. Still got plenty of oil on my gloves, so that'll lube up the O-ring.
A little slip and slide.
Yeah.
Sick. Want Andrew's help with that?
You wipe it down when it gets in there. God. Karate Kid.
Karate.
Is that the 16? Figure?
Oh, I'll just wipe it down for you.
All right, we're riding dirty.
Whoa. The muscly men.
Bounty, the quicker picker-upper.
Is that Bounty?
No. You lie.
You lying? Why you lying?
Whoa. Yeah, be careful. Simple green on. Today's actually 420. Simple green.
Oh boy, there he is. Ooh, jokester.
Oh.
And this is so Gary doesn't see the mess.
Gary cannot find out about his mess. 'Cause, I mean, I'm technically a boss, but he's boss.
What's that?
You don't want boss to get mad.
What's that?
You have to explain that.
My dad kicked my ass. Don't do
Yeah.
that.
So, watch your mouth.
I have to go home. I have to go home. Okay.
Well, I think it's better for what?
Yeah. If I'm doing the oil change anyway, I might as well, right?
Yeah.
I know some people say you're supposed to run like the normal, like just whatever like the normal oil is at first, like after the first one, but I don't see that. I've never seen a problem with it. You might as well just run the good stuff.
Always.
Always.
Only one. Low tool. What other oil? Valvoline. What other oil? Shell Rotella T6 used to be good.
What's your favorite oil? Let us know in the comments.
That's
what you're supposed
he
to
said.
say.
I'm supposed to say that, but what Rob said.
Jesus.
Yeah, I caught it.
We're gonna do some tapping.
All right.
tapping that ass. I'm just playing. I didn't mean it like that, guys.
Where's HR? What's the single most dangerous thing about changing a tire?
I don't know. The tire has to want to change.
For someone like me who doesn't know how this particular wrench works, what is that clicking noise?
So this is a torque wrench. When you hear that click, it gets to a specific torque that you set it to. Set it by pulling this out and adjusting the collar. It'll tell you the readout of what it will brake at and give you what you need for your proper torque spec.
Ah, cool. No idea.
See you guys in the comments.